Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are going to talk about the best Adalock Portable Door Lock, a product that ensures safety and security wherever you go. Whether you're at home, traveling, or staying at an Airbnb, this simple yet effective device is a must-have for anyone who values peace of mind. The Adalock is a unique and innovative solution for securing your doors quickly and easily. Unlike traditional locks, this portable door lock is designed to be used on any inward swinging hinged door, making it ideal for homes, apartments, hotels, motels, dorms, and even short-term rental properties like Airbnbs. What makes it stand out is its simplicity. With no tools required for installation, you can easily install the Adalock within seconds, enhancing your privacy and security instantly. It's incredibly compact, lightweight, and portable. You can take it with you wherever you go. Throw it in your bag, suitcase, or backpack, and you're ready to lock any door for extra security. Whether you're staying in a hotel, renting an apartment, or just looking for a little more privacy at home, the Adalock provides an added layer of protection. What makes this product truly reliable is its design and durability. The Adalock features a solid metal body and is engraved with the Adalock logo, ensuring that you're using the authentic and trusted version of this portable door lock. You'll never have to worry about cheap imitations or subpar quality. It's engineered to last and provide a long-term solution to your security needs. The Adalock is also perfect for families, especially those with young children. It acts as an extra child safety lock, preventing doors from being easily opened by little hands. Its versatility makes it suitable for multiple uses, whether you're traveling solo, staying with family, or simply looking for added peace of mind in a rental space. The creators of the Adalock have over 20 years of experience in the safety and security industry. Rishin Enterprises, the company behind the Adalock, is committed to providing affordable, easy-to-use solutions that instantly enhance the safety of your space. Whether you're at home or away, the Adalock is designed to keep you secure and comfortable in any environment. So, if you're looking for a portable, durable, and easy-to-use door lock that you can rely on, the Adalock is the perfect choice for you. Protect your home, your hotel room, or any space you occupy with this essential travel security device. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.